back the vehicle up to where I'm able to turn the wheels from side to side. First, I want to remove the filler cap. Okay, this is the setup I have. I'm using this pump to pump the old fluid out and into this milk container. Clothespin to hold the line, and I'll go ahead and pump it dry. You can see it coming out here where I have the hose. Now what I want to do is put some fluid in with this pump. Now I don't want to overfill this. You can look down in there and you can see about where you are. You can see the difference in the color of fluids. Okay, what I want to do now is turn the steering wheel, since I have the vehicle raised to where the front tires will rotate. Okay, it stops that way. And I go back the other way till it stops. Of course, you have to have the key to the on position because it's a locking steering wheel, but you don't have to have it to the start position. Getting a little tight. Okay, that's it. And then I want to get it, my tires straight. I can look through my door window and see when they're straight. Okay. And I'll repeat this procedure at least 3 times. We'll see. Okay, having done the steering wheel, come back out here and I pump out some more bad fluid. Now, if you overfill this and you turn the steering wheel, the fluid is getting pumped back in when you turn the steering wheel, so it could come out over the top. Okay, I'm getting air. Okay, now I'll go back in the car and turn the steering wheel again, side to side. Okay, this makes pump out number 3. Getting better looking all the time. And back to the cab. Okay, I think this will probably be the last pass. Okay, let's see how clear it's looking this time. This is probably the last time we pump it out. I would say that's it. It looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to take all this loose. I'm going to fill this reservoir up to where it's cold mark on the dipstick and start it up, let it run for a few minutes, warm up, and see where the level sits. I believe it's right at the bottom of the cold mark. I've probably used a little more than half a quart of power steering fluid. So to recap, you'll need a couple fluid pumps that fit quart bottles, empty milk jug for the bad fluid, and probably 2 quarts of 2 quarts of power steering fluid designed for your car. This job's done. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.